Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I actually have a kind of everyday summer look. So I wanted to do something that was super like light coverage and everything, but super glowy. I am oily, but I've been really into this lately, so let's just get into it. So the first product I'm going to start with, I already did like my skincare routine this morning, but the first product I'm going to start with is the e.l.f. Natural Glow Lotion. I bought this the other day and I really like it so far. So I just take a little bit of it and dot some on my cheeks, my forehead, my chin, my nose, and then I just take my fingers and I rub it in. And I just think it gives like the most like gorgeous glow, and it feels kind of hydrating too. Okay, so next what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation, and I have mine in the shade 110 because I'm pale. I need to go tan. But what I'm going to do with this is I don't want too much coverage. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a little bit and dot this on my skin lightly in places where I want a little bit of coverage but not too much. And then what I'm also going to do is I'm going to use it as a concealer, which may be kind of cringy because I don't want to put on a real concealer because all my concealers are like full coverage and I don't want that now. So I'm just gonna lightly pat this in. We're getting some coverage, but not too much. Because this way the glow lotion still shines through. I feel like if I were to do a full beat face of foundation, it wouldn't show through. And because I did choose a matte foundation, it does help with my oils, but it also lets that glowy lotion show through. So it hurts my heart to say this, but I haven't been setting this, and even though I'm oily, that scares the crap out of me. But what I'm going to do next is I'm going to go into the Wet n Wild Mega Cushion Contour, and I'm going to use this today as a light little bronzer. So I'm just going to take this on my sponge. This is the way I find it best to use it, and I'm just going to dab a little bit. I got a lot. And the good thing about this is it does blend out if you do end up getting too much. It just blends out pretty nicely, and then that way it just adds a little bit of color, like nothing crazy, but it kind of looks natural, and that's what I love about it. Okay, and then next I'm gonna go in with a cream highlighter. I have two here. I only own two cream highlighters because I'm not a big cream highlighter, but I have the Smashbox LA Lights Blendable Lip and Cheek Color. Now I don't actually know if this is still available. I bought this like 3 years ago. This was my first makeup purchase, high-end ever, and I don't regret it, and I'll never get rid of it, but I don't use it either. But then I have this Cargo Cosmetics cream highlighter in this shade Champagne, but it's very pink, and I'm just not feeling pink today. The Smashbox one is pink, but it's like more of a champagne too. So what I'm just going to do is I'm going to take the stick and rub it around on my finger, and then I'm going to just dab it on my cheek, and that way we get a nice glow to the skin. Can you see it? Just looks very dewy and glowy and beautiful. So there is the cream highlighter, which I think is so pretty. Okay, so that is it for the face. Then I'm just gonna do my brows really quick. Oh, and by the way, I am using the e.l.f. brow pencil. It's the white one. I've actually really been loving it because I can do a really natural looking brow, and it like matches my hair perfectly. And then the only thing I'm actually setting today is my brows because I want them to stay in place. So I'm using the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Plumper. And then the last thing I'm going to put on is the L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara. I am in love with this mascara, and I do go mascara crazy just because I love mascara. Okay, and the last thing that I have been doing to complete this look is been using the e.l.f. What is this? e.l.f. Lip Oil in the shade Nude Kiss. I love this thing because it gives your lips just a little bit of like something while it hydrates, and it looks like you have on a nice gloss, but it's not sticky, and it smells like cupcakes, and it's just perfect. Alright guys, so that is everything I have for you today. I hope you guys enjoyed this like minimal, dewy kind of makeup look. Well, dewy for me anyway, because you know, if you have any products that you like to use for like a minimal kind of everyday summery look, let me know in the comments down below, because I'm really trying to find better foundations for the summer, like with lighter coverage, because I've kind of been into that recently, which is scaring me a little bit, but it's also a good thing. Anyway guys, I hope you guys are having a blessed day wherever you are, and I will catch you guys in next week's video.